In the heart of Camby, Indiana, where progress meets passion, there's a name you can rely on for all your waste management needs: A&A Roll-Offs LLC. Welcome to A&A Roll-Offs LLC, your premier destination for top-quality dumpster rental in Camby, Indiana, and beyond. With a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, A&A Roll-Offs LLC is the go-to choice for residential and commercial projects alike. Whether you're tackling a massive construction project, decluttering your home, or managing waste from a special event, we've got the perfect dumpster solutions to suit your needs, all delivered with convenience and ease. From the moment you contact us, our dedicated team is committed to providing personalized service that exceeds your expectations. We understand that every project is unique, and that's why we take the time to listen to your needs and recommend the perfect dumpster solution for you, providing a personalized service that makes you feel valued. Don't let waste slow you down. Call us today at 317-680-3867 or visit our website at www.aarolloffs.com. Dumpster Rental Camby IN to learn more and reserve your dumpsters. A&A Roll-Off LLC, where efficiency meets excellence.